Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to download and install Ollama in your Android phone. As you can see, it works fine. As you can see, it's creating now a snake game using Python. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here to Google. Okay, download Termux from here, the beta 3 version. For me, I already download this version. Okay, click here. And after that, download this one. Click here. Okay, for me, I already downloaded. Let's install it. Let's download this. Termux. Let's install. Okay, it's installed. Now let's close this and go here. Termux, open it. And we have to follow those instructions. The first command is here. Let's copy it. Paste it right here. Okay, let's copy the next command. Paste it right here. Hit below. Okay, the third one is to run the server of Termux. Copy this command. Paste right here. Okay, after that, go here to this 3 lines and open new session. Okay, after that, let's go here. Where is my Google? Okay, search for Ollama. Go to Ollama. Go to models. DeepSeek Air1. Okay, because it's tutorial, I want to use this model as example. Let's go down. Okay, let's choose this 1 GB. Click here, copy this, and return here to Termux. Paste it right here, and hit enter. Okay, start downloading our model. Okay, for example, let's say hi. Okay, it works. Let's see. Okay, let's create a simple snake game. Center. Let's start thinking. Okay, guys, start working with this game. Okay, as you can see, it works fine. Thank you guys for watching this or for this tutorial.